Alright, so today we're focusing back on the Time Attack build. What we're doing today is figuring out everything that I have. I've ordered a lot of parts in the off season. Some of these things have been ordered since last November, and I found myself sometimes buying duplicate items, and I think that's just my fault for not recording. And so today I'm going to go through and actually take a good record of everything I have and what else I need to order for this build. But before we do that, I gotta do a little cleaning first. Now that it's all clean, I can go ahead and lay out the mats to start putting all the parts down. All right, time to start ripping packages open. So this is basically most of the parts that I have right now that need to go on, and I have a bunch more coming in. It was really good that I did this because I immediately realized I do not have a starter, so I need to pick up a new starter as well. But like, this is a perfect example. So now I get the fun job of making a list of all the parts I didn't order so that I don't forget anything. By the next episode, I should have everything I need to get this engine back in the car and running. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, as it really helps me out a lot. But until next time.